So in one of my other videos, I showed you how to get perspective by using Photoshop. But if you have an iPad, this is a way that you can get perspective straight up without having to transfer over to anything. I'll show you exactly what I do here. So the first thing I'll do is I'll have my reference image, this little frog hanging out. Getting perspective on this, it can be quite easy, but I wanted to simplify it a little bit. So what I do is I go into Procreate or any type of design program and just sketch around the outlines. It doesn't have to be clean, doesn't have to look nice. So right here you can see the sketched out version, and if I drop the color, that's what you see, the outline, right? This way it's just easy to see those lines and it doesn't get too confusing when using this technique. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to squiggle a whole bunch of shapes and lines on this wall, take a photo of that wall, and then use that layer of the outline you see and put it over the top. And then I'm going to follow the lines on the wall and the sketch is going to come up pretty perfect. This all probably sounds confusing, but you can just watch me do it. So there we go, we got the sketch up. Next thing is we have to take a photo of the wall. So let's get into that one. I'm gonna put that design over the top. So let's have a look at what it looks like. This is exactly how I do it. Just to make it a little less confusing, go to that layer with the actual image and just play with the opacity. This is just gonna make it less confusing for your eyes. So if I drop this down, when you zoom in, it's not too bad. So yeah, just ready to sketch it up.